Before you drop thousands on a walk-in tub, there's one thing nobody tells you. Most of the real safety and comfort comes from the little things you add later. Product pages show perfect bathrooms, but real users complain about slippery seats, water everywhere, and lack of support. Today, I'm showing you the 5 underrated essentials that actually make your walk-in tub safe and usable. Product number 1, HOMLAND Basic Shower Stool. This HOMLAND shower stool looks simple, but it's a solid starting point if you need basic seating without breaking the bank at $51. It's lightweight, made of aluminum, and supports up to 400 pounds, though they recommend staying under 300 for safety. What caught my eye is how compact it is. Just 10 inches wide, so it fits in tight tubs without getting in the way. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're stepping into a walk-in tub but still worry about balance, this stool gives you a stable place to sit while showering. The non-slip rubber feet grip the tub floor, and the height adjusts from 14 to 19 inches in 1-inch steps, so whether you're 52 or 60, you can find a comfortable position. Plus, it includes a bath sponge and a clip to hold your shower head, which sounds small but actually helps keep your hands free. Now, some people might complain that it doesn't have a backrest, and they're right. If you have back pain or need upper body support, this won't cut it. But here's the thing, not everyone needs a full chair. If you just need a place to rest your hips while washing, this does the job without cluttering your tub. This is perfect for you if you're mostly mobile but want extra stability during showers. Skip this one if you have limited core strength or need back support. For the price, it's a no-brainer for light use. Product number 2, HOMLAND Chair with Removable Back. Now, if the last stool felt too minimal, this HOMLAND model adds a removable backrest, still at $51, which is surprising. It keeps the same 400-pound capacity and adjustable height, but the back gives you something to lean against, which makes a huge difference if you're bathing alone or have fatigue issues. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The backrest isn't just comfort, it's safety. When you're wet and standing on a slick surface, having that support behind you reduces the risk of slipping backward. The seat also has drainage holes and a built-in handle, so water doesn't pool and you can grip it easily when standing up. And because the back is removable, you can switch between full support and open seating depending on your needs that day. Now, some people complain that the backrest feels a bit flimsy when fully extended, and I get that. It's not built for leaning hard into it. But here's the thing, it's meant for light support, not as a wheelchair replacement. If you're using it correctly, sitting upright with gentle back contact, it's perfectly stable. This is perfect for you if you want optional back support without paying extra. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty lumbar support or plan to recline. It's a smart upgrade over the basic stool for just a few extra dollars. Product number 3, HOMLAND Heavy-Duty Chair with Arms. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for seniors or anyone with mobility challenges. This HOMLAND chair with arms and back jumps to $89.97, but it supports 500 pounds and includes padded armrests, which is a game changer. The wide, padded arms give you something solid to push off from, reducing strain on your knees and hips. The seat is also wider, 20 inches across, so there's room to shift positions comfortably. Plus, the entire frame is rust-resistant, which is critical in a wet environment. Now, some people said it's heavier and harder to move around, and they're not wrong. At over 7 pounds, it's not something you'll reposition daily. But here's the thing, if you're using a walk-in tub regularly, you probably don't need to move it much. Stability matters more than portability here. This is perfect for you if you have limited strength or use a walker. Skip this one if you're highly mobile and just want occasional seating. For long-term safety, the extra cost is worth it. Product number 4, Spidfy Shower Splash Guard. Now, if you've ever stepped out of a walk-in tub to find water all over the floor, this next one is for you. The Spidfy Splash Guard is only $23, but it solves a problem most people don't even realize they have: water sneaking past the curtain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even with a great tub, water can leak through the gap between the curtain and the wall. These silicone acrylic guards stick to the corner and block that path. They're self-adhesive, reusable, and work on any angle, not just 90-degree corners. I didn't expect it, but this genuinely surprised me with how much water it stopped. Now, some people complain that the adhesive weakened over time, especially in steamy bathrooms. Here's the thing though, if you clean the surface well and let it dry completely before applying, it holds up for months. This is perfect for you if you've got tile floors that can't handle constant moisture. Skip this one if your tub already has a built-in dam or door seal. For the price, it's a tiny fix with a big payoff. Product number 5, HZU Shower Threshold Dam. Finally, if splash guards aren't enough, this HZU water dam takes leak protection to the next level at just $15. It's a flexible silicone barrier you stick along the edge of your tub or shower threshold to stop water from escaping entirely. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Walk-in tubs often sit lower than standard showers, making it easier for water to spill over the side. This dam creates a waterproof seal that's adjustable up to 39 inches, long enough for most home setups. It's also easy to clean and doesn't trap moisture underneath, which prevents mold. Now, some people said it can lift at the corners if not pressed down firmly, and that's true. But here's the thing. If you take 60 seconds to press it down properly during installation, it stays put. It's not magic, but it's effective. This is perfect for you if you've got hard flooring that can't tolerate water exposure. Skip this one if you already have a curbless shower or sealed door system. For under $20, it's one of the smartest bathroom upgrades you can make. So which one's right for you? If you just need basic seating, the HOMLAND stool works. Add the backrest if you want support. Go full heavy duty with arms if mobility is a concern. And don't forget the SPIDFI guards and HZU dam, because no one wants wet floors. These aren't the flashiest products, but they're the ones that actually keep your walk-in tub safe and functional.